the director also si Sandro, di ba ba? So, productions also, they did the visuals, the stage setup, there was also
very excited for that. Anyone else who'd like to say their favorite song from the album?
This is Iggy, by the way. He is over this weekend. He's filling in for Raymond. Well, for the basic slot.
And of course, last but not the least,
It's the most personal song on the album. So of course it's gonna hit a lot of people more than usual. So yeah.
and you know, we're very excited to really hear it live from you guys.